G'day guys, if you live in Australia and you haven't heard of B&B Off-Road Engineering, do you even ride a motorcycle? They make some of the best gear that you can get, especially protective gear like this bash plate here. Today we're going to show you how to mount the B&B bash plate onto the big Tenere 700. The B&B bash plate's made of 5mm thick 5.883 structural alloy plate, they tell me. Apparently it only takes 4 bolts to remove each time you want to do an oil change and stuff like that, so it's quite handy to take on and off. Also comes with a replaceable poly linkage guard at the back here. So yeah, they're all fully TIG welded, really solid piece of equipment. And you can get them in this polished alloy finish, or they also come in a black PPA coating, which apparently is plus coat, which is apparently tougher than powder coating. So. Right, first up you want to get rid of the old bash plate, which is probably more there for looks than anything. You just need your 8mm socket and there's 4 bolts to take off, very easy. So you've got two on each side. So once you get the old bashy off, first thing you want to do is mount up these brackets. When you get yours, they'll probably be gal or zinc coated or whatever they are, but I've just put some black paint on mine just because the bike's black and I think it'll look a bit cooler. So we'll do the right hand side one first. Right, so on the right hand side of the bike we're going to remove these 3 12mm bolts for starters. So since there was thread lock on these bolts from the factory, we'll put a bit more on these 2. So with the right hand side bracket, if you're using the genuine Yamaha center stand, you don't need a spacer in here, but they do include a spacer for you to use if you're not using the center stand, and also a longer bolt to go through. So do 17mm, you can tighten that one up. And we'll torque up these 2 12mm. You'll need a spanner, 12mm spanner, to get to the inside one. Okay, now around to the other side. On the left hand side of the bike we just need to undo these 2 bolts here. And then up the left hand side bracket. You want the mounting hole for the bash plate facing out. I'm just going to leave these 2 bolts finger tight until we get the bash plate mounted up, just to make sure everything's going to line up properly. So we'll get the bash plate in position and attach it at the front with one of the included 5mm Allen key bolt. Won't over tighten that one just yet. One of these countersunk 5mm Allen key bolts with a nut on the other end goes at the back here. And the rear mount. As I said, we'll get it all fitted up and then tighten everything up. And finally, another bolt at the back here. Alright, that's fitted up. Now we can go around and tighten everything up. Probably starting with these two bits here. So the 13mm nut, the 5mm Allen key. That's it guys, job done. To take the bash plate off, to change oil or whatever, it's a simple matter of the four, you get 2 bolts at the front and the 2 rear bolts, and they're all 5mm Allen keys, so real easy to get it off and solid as. So thanks for watching, hope this video has made it a little bit easier for you to mount up your B&B bash plate. G'day guys, if you cut. G'day guys, if you
shit.
Fuck bro. Blooper.
Cut.
Don't you love it when you get stickers and you find a spot to put them? Looks like they were made for it.
And that's a wrap.
That's right.